Hi guys, I'm a bit stuck. I've got a 2011 3-litre diesel auto Jag XF and it's not cranking or starting. So if I do my normal procedure, so open the door, shut the door, foot on the brake, press the start button, nothing. So just press the start button off again, and then press it again. So I've got all the lights coming up. So it all comes up on the dash. I've got cannot apply parking brake and the flashing. It says fuel level low, but I know there's fuel in it. I don't know why that's reset itself, but there's plenty of fuel in it. Yeah, so as soon as I take my foot off the brake, all the lights come on and the ignition turns off as it should, and I can hear the fuel pump stopping. So that's as soon as I take my foot off the brake. So foot back on the brake again, ignition off, start button on. I can hear all relays and all manner of electrics working, and I still get that. So what I've done so far, if I talk you through it, is on the driver's side splash guard, I've changed the washer pump just because I was down there, it was cheap. I've changed it, just checked the wiring, see if it tracks back any corrosion or anything, but there wasn't any corrosion. Cleaned all the earth up that was underneath there. Then I've come in here and I've taken the CJB apart. All the connectors is bone dry. All the fuses are good. The relays are all good under there. Then I changed the brake pedal switch just to see if it was that. So that's been changed. I've also taken this passenger seat out and I've checked all the modules under there. I've disconnected them and it still won't start. I've put a brand new battery in and it was tested at a battery shop. It was a proper battery shop and they tested it before and I tested it. It was running fine. I've checked all the maxi fuses in the boot, all the fuses in the boot. I'm really stuck about where to go next. Any help would be appreciated. So if I just talk you through it again, as usual, foot on the brake, start, nothing. As soon as I take my foot off the brake, everything comes off as if it should. So that's not without pressing the button. So I can't remember if it did that before. So start button, nothing. Foot off the brake, goes back to that again. I can't remember if that was normal. But any help, I'd be really appreciative. Any help you can shed on this, because I'm at a loss about where to go. I've also disconnected this just so I could try it in park and in neutral, and still don't make a difference. I can't apply the parking brake. Like I said, it just says cannot apply parking brake. So yeah, I'm a bit stuck. So please help in the comments. I'll try and see if I can, because I'm not very au fait with YouTube. If I could put in a picture of my the fault codes that came up, they're all to do with the seat module, which is obvious because I've disconnected that. There was one for a LIN bus connection, but I've done all my research and it all comes up with things like adaptive cruise, seat module, window switch, stuff like that. So I'll put it in there if anyone can shed any light on it. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and hopefully someone can help me out. Thanks very much.